Salom doste imi am shwishi Globasa. Hello friends, let's learn Globasa. Globasa is an awesome language compiled from the most spoken languages in the world. It's diverse, logical, practical, and, in my opinion, a good contender for international auxiliary language. Learning it is fairly easy and can be very useful to learn a lot of words from other languages like Hindi, Arabic, Mandarin, Indonesian, and obviously English. Globasa's writing is very intuitive, especially if you already speak a language using the Latin alphabet. You'll see. Globasa doesn't use gender, conjugation, articles, nor plural. So doste can mean friend or friends. Mahi means fish. Suyon means swim. So mahi suyon means fish swim or the fish swims. Another one, myaw yuxi, the cat plays. A lot of words are pretty intuitive because they're either derived from your native language or onomatopoeias. What do you think does lala mean? Correct, it's to sing. And what about me? It's I, me. And obviously, you. As for every language, we need to learn some vocab. I leave a list of words for this lesson to learn in the description and probably also make an Anki deck. For this lesson, we focus on some basic vocabulary so that we can do grammar more easily later. The word order in Globasa is SVO. Just like in English, first the subject, then the verb, lastly the object. So if I tell you the word for to eat, yum, how do you say the cat eats fish? Myaw, yum, mahi. Mi hare bwaw. Bwaw means dog because the dog makes the sound bwaw bwaw. Just like cats are called myaw. Hare means to have, just one letter difference to English. You might know from French or Spanish, one. I have one dog, mi hare bwaw. Maybe you have another pet. Piu is bird, pew pew. Uma is horse from Mandarin. Mahi, you already know, is fish. I myself am a talking tortoise, so that would be geo cachupa, or just cachupa. Cachupa means turtle in general, and geo specifies that I am a land turtle, or what you would usually call tortoise. You probably know geo from geography. Besides the animals in your home, there might also be people, insan, there. When I was younger, a young nini, kid, I lived together with my sodar, my brother. There was also my matre, mother, and my patre, father. Me and my sodar were my parents' bete, sons. If I'd had a sister, she would also be a sodar, just like my brother. And she would also be bete de misu matre gi misu patre, my mom's and dad's child. And if you didn't have any siblings, you'd be a solun bete. You see, again, Globasa tends to make words out of other words. Well, maybe you have some hobbies or you just somno, sleep all day. Somno is obviously related to insomnia. There are lots of things to do. You can read, doxo, but for doxo you need a kitabu, a book. Others like to sing, lala, or to play, yuxi. But sadly, at the end of the day, I now have to ergo, work. Gladly, there's still time to shwishi new things, shwishi to learn. Now that it's getting warmer again, I anda more often, anda to walk. But maybe I should do more pawbu, running. Obviously, there are also other ways of transportation. Some people like to swim, suyon, in the water, sui. The names being so similar is a pure coincidence as both are derived from Mandarin. I'd personally like to be a quake, a duck. They can anda, they can suyon, but most importantly, they can fley, fly. Quake also like to eat roti, bread, but please, lutuf, don't feed them bread. Thanks, xukra. If you want to eat roti though, go ahead, but don't forget about other foods like risi, rice, supa, soup, salada, salad, potato. Wow, all these dishes sound exactly like English. A coincidence? I think not. Sadly, that's not true for every word. You do need to learn a bit. Jubin is cheese and pingo apple. But gladly, banana always stays banana. Bon, I think that's enough for today. The word list is in the description and maybe try to translate these following sentences.